You're listening to That Home Loan Hub. I'm Zibuni Salimova, here to make home loans and property investing simple, smart and stress-free. Let's get you closer to your property dreams. Hello and welcome back to That Home Loan Hub. I am joined by Kunch. Hello, Kunch.
Good morning. How are you?
Wonderful. So good to have you back.
Yeah, it's been a little wee while since we've done this podcast thing.
I know. We've been very busy. We were away traveling. We had lots happening. We had our annual conference.
We did.
And we'll dive into what we've learned at the conference as well.
Yep.
But today it's very important to talk about something that everyone always talks about. OCR.
Yes.
Official cash rate. So we've recently had a massive drop again. Well, not a massive one, but a drop nonetheless.
Yep.
And it's the drop of 0.25, which had a follow-on effect.
Yes.
Let's dive into it.
Yeah, well, was it the 20th of August? So what, 2 weeks ago?
Yep.
We had the 0.25 drop in the OCR. So obviously with that dropping, we had drop in interest rates. So finally we've seen the 6-month rate at under 5%, which is
incredible.
Great for those, short fixed terms, because obviously there's predictions of the OCR still dropping a couple more times this year. So I think we've got one due.
I thought there was one this year and one next year that they're predicting to drop, hopefully. Yeah, which is incredible because if you think about it, this time last year we were sitting at about 6.7 for 6 months.
Yes.
And now we're sitting at 4.99.
Yeah.
That's massive difference.
It is really massive for a lot of homeowners or the ones that were on the 6% or things like that. They're actually, for an average home loan, you're getting back about $120 to $180 per fortnight. Per month. Per month on the repayments. But if you've managed for the last year or 2 years on that, keep paying it because you'll see the savings on interest as well.
Yeah, because it will save you like 5 years off your mortgage straight away.
Yep.
If you keep the repayments the same. But I guess for a lot of people, it's a welcomed relief because
absolutely.
A lot of people...
Yeah, the struggle's real out there. We're all struggling and it's a good relief to see that, homeowners will get some relief in that. But then it balances out with the increase of, our power bill has gone up, our insurances, our rates have gone up. So, so it's a catch-22 on that side of things.
Yeah, but it's a welcomed relief. The rates are going down. There's a bit more positivity from our first-home buyers, especially because for those that stayed away for the last year or two, watching the rates climb up and seeing their friends struggle.
Yeah, they didn't want to.
No, they didn't want to struggle. So now they're like, actually, maybe things will improve. Maybe we should jump on this ladder now. So we do encourage you highly to jump on the ladder and benefit from those lower interest rates.
Yeah, and I think we've also seen a up on our, first home buyers and things coming through to us as well. As advisors, we've seen a lot of inquiries coming through for our first home buyers. So they're coming out in the market with the lower interest rate and things. Historically, though, with interest rates, coming down, you see house prices go up, but they've actually flattened, which is actually really good. So I think it's quite a good time for our, first home buyers and things like that to jump in.
Especially in the region that we're in, Wellington region was the worst affected
one. One of the worst. There was 27% average drop in house prices.
So for those that are looking to invest and you're listening to me outside, because I see where you guys are listening from, and big shout out to Auckland. So a lot of Aucklanders are listening, so thank you. If you are in Auckland and you're looking to invest, hey, invest in our region.
Invest in Wellington.
Auckland is going up, Wellington is going down. So good time to be investing in this area because you can still get really good returns. Like we just had clients buy, even outside of Wellington, like Shannon, really random place, but they spent $550K on this property, and it's got another property on the same land, and they're getting like $850 return in rent.
Wow.
So there are some absolute nuggets of gold out there. And this client cracked me up because we've just signed their documents and they're going, do you think we should buy another one? If we find another one, could we buy one more? And
another I'm like, gem, eh?
Exactly, And that's the thing, those that are willing to take the risk, those that making the positives out of this OCR drops are the ones that will benefit long term.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a really good point, Kunch. Thank you so much for that. That normally when the OCR drops, the rates go down, property prices go up. In this case right now, the property prices haven't gone up yet. They're still flat. So you've got a fantastic opportunity to go out there and buy something.
Definitely a sweet spot right now.
Awesome. But again, as usual with the OCR drops, the real losers are our term deposit holders.
Yeah.
They're the ones that will see the drop in their term deposits and their savings, and they will be the ones looking for alternative investments.
Yeah, correct. You are correct.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for that. This wraps up our episode on OCR. Thank
Cool.
you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. And that's a wrap on that Home Loan Hub. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me next time for more property tips and tricks. Your next smart move starts here.